Hello my friends, welcome back. I am coming on today to do a layout in collaboration with scrapbook.com, and I wanted to start by using this flower garden stencil. It is so pretty. And I grabbed a couple of Distress Oxides in Worn Lipstick as well as Tattered Rose because I thought I would use both and blend a little bit and all that kind of thing. And some of the thought process behind that was they match the floral smooth cardstock as well as the roses smooth cardstock so beautifully. Let me try to find a blending brush. Perfect. And to show you really quickly, I am going to document this photo of myself, and I'm overlooking some beautiful gardens in northern Michigan. It's a bit of a hazy photo. I'm rather digging it. It was at a gorgeous lavender farm outside of a winery. They call it a winery. I don't know if it's supposed to be a vineyard. I don't know. Anywho, this is what I have, and I thought I would just pop this on and just start going for it and see how it turns out. So I think I'm going to start with the lighter shade. Let me clean my brush just a little bit because, you know, you never know what's been on there. So I'm going to go in with Tattered Rose to start, and I think I'm not going to worry too much about making this a perfect bit of ink blending because I'm incapable of that, but I do just want to get some of these gorgeous floral cluster ideas on here. It does not have to be spot on, and chances are I'm going to cover a lot of this as I go along anyway when I have my cardstock going. I thought we would see how this looks, guys. This Tattered Rose is such a beautiful, beautiful shade. Rather excited. Let's see how that looks so far. Guys, it's gorgeous. And I know it's super subtle, but that's okay. So I'm going to move this around a little bit. And the reason why I'm not going to press down that hard is I have a slimline stencil, right? So it's only going to cover so much area. And I'm not real sure. Yeah, I won't be able to get a really good repeat off of it. So I'm doing the idea of florals here and there. Kind of like a sip of them, as it were. So kind of let that kind of vibe. I think it's looking awesome. Let me do a little bit more over here. And then I can come in lightly with the Worn Lipstick and keep going with that. And already I am loving this background. Oh, and I didn't tell you I was using a textured white cardstock. I really enjoy working on texture, so 9 times out of 10, if I have a choice between smooth or textured, that's where I'm gonna go. So pretty, 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 right? You can use these guys on a big old layout. Okay, let me come back in, see if I can find where I did any of these bits. Well, I can start over here because I know where that is, right? And I'm going to try to come in just a little tap, not super strong, in each of those areas that I had previously used ink. This one is Worn Lipstick. And not going all the way to the edge. I don't want the hard edges. Just a little bit, just like that. So I'll go ahead and repeat that, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I have a bunch of these dies cut out. I absolutely love the sprigs. They are so pretty and lacy and delicate. So I have 3 on each side. Gonna work on what I want to do with that. I don't know. Then with my slimline die, this gorgeous little bit, I ended up loving the little bits that come out. So I thought I'd go ahead with my Distress Oxide in Worn Lipstick and just give them a little bit of a zhuzh on the outsides of them. I thought that might be my plan. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that on all of my pieces. Give them just a little bit of extra oomph, and we'll start attaching things down. So I went ahead and grabbed my scrapbook.com vintage type upper little stamp set. It is such a cute little stamp set, and created a nice simple title. Now I have some of these itty bitty tiny little floral bits, and I'm just gonna pop a few along with my butterfly pieces, keeping it on the diagonal, and this will be finished up. So give me one moment and I will show you my finished project. Well, it looks like I'm adding these gorgeous little leafy bits in with some of my greenery, probably just a couple of them. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of splatty bits and this will be complete. But I saw this and I was like, oh, that's pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple of those in. Then we're gonna wrap up this project. Hold on. All right, my friends, I just finished it up with some splatty bits in Tattered Rose, and I am loving the dimension and those beautiful leafy bits from the dies. Absolutely had so much fun creating this project. So I'm gonna have all the links down below for what I used. Everything's available at scrapbook.com. Is there anything else to tell you? Nope, I'll have all the links down there. Go over to scrapbook.com, pick up these beautiful goodies, and yeah, I'll be back ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.